Hey children, welcome back again. So today's video is on something that we do almost every day. Okay, but before starting the lesson, I want to show you some pictures. Please watch it carefully. Okay, let's see. Okay, after watching the pictures, it is clear to you that the pictures are telling us about some work, different work that we do almost every day. Okay, so what are those works are generally known as? They are known as verb, and in simple term we will say doing words. Okay, so the work that we do generally every day, please call them doing words. Not only us, the animals also, like eat, walk, read, play, write, fly, and many more. Okay, now I'll take the help of the story of Tom and Mina, which you have already learned in the previous classes, so it will be more easier for you. I'll start with the morning part. Okay. Number 1, I brush my teeth. Now here the doing word is brush. Number 2, I eat breakfast. Here the doing word is eat. Number 3, I go to school. Here the doing word is go. Children, always remember, when I is there, it means I myself is doing this work. Okay, so in case of I, that is I am doing something, the doing word here will remain same. There will be no changes. Okay, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to school. But when the same work is being done by some other person, the doing word will change by either adding es or s. Okay, let's see. Here Meena is the other person. Meena brushes her teeth. When it was I, it is brush, but when it is Meena, the doing word changed into brushes, that is we have added es. Similarly, instead of writing Meena, if we use she, the doing word will again change. She eats breakfast. I eat breakfast. She eats breakfast. There is a s. Last one. She goes to school. Now go has been changed into goes by adding es. When it is she goes to school. Okay, now the next will be the afternoon part. Similar things. Again I am starting with I come back from school. The doing word is come. I eat lunch. Doing word is eat. I read books. Doing word is read. So when I myself is doing the work, the doing words are remaining same. And when I has been changed into Tom, that is some other person, the doing words will change. Tom comes back from school. Here it is come. I have added one S, which is comes. Similarly, if we write he instead of Tom, then he eats lunch. One S has been added. Similarly, he reads books. Okay. Now comes the evening part. Again I am starting with I. I play with my friends and dog. The doing word is play. The next one, I do my homework. Here the doing word is do. No changes. Watch it. Then comes Meena. That is another person. Meena plays with her friends and with her dog Kalu. See, when I am saying Meena, play has been changed into plays. That is, I have added one S beside play, which made it plays. Okay. Similarly, in place of Meena, if I say she does her homework. Do has been changed into does. Es has been added. Okay. And finally comes the night part. In the night part, there will be something different. So don't get confused. I'll start with I only, and then gradually I'll start the different thing. Okay. At first, I tell stories to my mother. Doing word tell, no changes. Next, I sleep at night. Doing word is sleep. Number 3, Kalu guards the house. I hope you have remember who is Kalu. Okay. Kalu guards the house. So guards, one S has been added. Now comes the new thing. Now here you can see Tom and Meena. Till now, in the earlier sentences, in the previous sentences, either we are talking about I or Tom or Meena or he or she, but now in this sentence we are talking about both Tom and Meena. You can see there are two persons, Tom and Meena. Now children, when you will see there are more than one person, then the doing word will again remain same. It will not change. We will neither add S nor ES. Okay. So Tom and Meena tell stories to their mother. The doing word is tell, which remains unchanged. Okay. And the last one, they sleep at night. They sleep at night. Now here they means Tom and Meena, but in general they means more than one person. Okay, so they sleep at night. As they is indicating more than one person, so the doing word sleep will not change. Okay, they sleep at night. Okay, so children, this is a very new thing I have introduced it today among you. So do not get confused. Watch this video very carefully again and again and try to understand. And if you face any problem, you can ask for it. You can ask for an help from me. I am there to help you out. Okay? Thank you.